Today I'm going to be showing you this personalized blanket that I made for my mom as a gift. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it, show you the quality of the blanket. But first and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product. So I could go ahead and give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and check it out. So the great thing about this blanket is that there is a variety of styles available. I customized this one in the color purple, but you could personalize it with your favorite color and your favorite photos. So you could give it to mom, dad, brother, sister. This is perfect for anyone. You could add your favorite photos, favorite text, favorite quotes, but let me go ahead and show you the one that I made. The great thing is that you could make it completely unique to you. The process to make this, I honestly thought that customization was going to be so hard, but it is actually super simple. You just click customize now, upload your photos, and adjust the placement and the text that you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you a close-up on that. I was quite surprised at the quality and how clear these photos came out. So you can see, I did put best mom ever, I love you. Look at the letters. They are so nice and legible. The blanket itself is made of soft flannel, so it's breathable, skin friendly, and machine washable. This is designed to be wrinkle resistant, and this is great for any season. The great thing about this blanket is that there is a variety of sizes available, ranging from 30 by 40 inches and 60 to 80 inches. So you could pick the size that works for you. On the back side, it is white and it does not transfer through. So overall, if you love blankets, or you know someone that does, or you just want to customize something for a loved one, I would definitely recommend